The topic of today's video is how to connect Metamask to Koinly. So this one's pretty easy, guys. Here on the dashboard, we just want to move over to wallets on the top here. And then we're going to click on add wallet/exchange. And all we're going to do is go and grab our Metamask wallet address. It's going to be much easier this way. So hop over to Metamask. You can use the extension. If you've already got it open, hop over there. And right on the top here is where you copy your wallet address. So just click on that. And then you can head over back to Koinly over here and just paste your wallet address. And now it's going to search. And now you can select any of these blockchains, and it's going to link up with that wallet address. So let's select Ethereum here. So here you can see that is our public address key with our Ethereum wallet. And all we want to do is click on import. And there we go. Our wallet has been connected to Koinly. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.